spring compressor fail. The spring compressors wouldn't compress the spring enough, so using cable ties to hold it. Then move the compressors further down the spring.
That's one side done.
I know you can use another set of compressors, but I didn't have more.
Mint. I don't even think I need that many.
It's crazy how much pressure is needed. And still needed to push down at the same time.
Point it this way away from me in case it fucking taps it. Oh, fucky. And that's the spring done. Just need to put it in there. Just gonna relax for a wee minute before I fucking put it in and bracked.